My name is George Perdikis, and I have the pleasure and the responsibility to be the principal of the Third General Lyceum in Katerini, Greece. The Third General Lyceum is a secondary state school counting 320 students from 14 to 18 years of age and 35 teachers. Among the main goals of the school is to prepare the students for the entry exams to institutions of tertiary education. However, emphasis is also given on helping our students to discover their talents, boost their self-confidence, develop their skills, and broaden their horizons. That's why the school encourages their participation to a variety of extracurricular activities. Throughout every school year, the majority of our students, monitored by capable and highly motivated teachers, run a considerable number of projects which involve their cooperation with local authorities, agencies, institutions, and even enterprises. Thus, the connection of the school with real life is achieved, and our students acquire skills that will help them in their life after school. One of these projects is the European project Bridges, in the framework of the Erasmus Plus program, in cooperation with schools from Italy, France, Romania, and Turkey, dealing with issues relating to job opportunities in Europe after school, as well as to labor and employment legislation and regulations in the partner countries. Of course, this project also enhances friendships and harmonious collaboration with people of different nationalities and cultures, and support the idea of the European citizenship. Last but not least, a proof that our school provides qualitative education is the high rate of success in the university entry exams, as well as the many prizes our students are awarded by the organizers of a variety of competitions, such as the award for the best school newspaper, distinctions in the annual competitions of the Scientific Union of Mathematicians, Chemists, etc., as well as in sports events. One of our students has been selected as a member of European Youth Parliament. Concluding, I'd like to point out that the school embraces every student, regardless of their achievements, and tries to create an interesting and pleasant school environment. Thank you for listening.